Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the app and positioning yourself for a spotlight clip. First, open Snapchat and log into the account you'll post from. This ensures correct profile and analytics. Next, use portrait orientation and check lighting, natural light or a soft key works best. Once done, enable sound and pick a lens if you want effects. Make sure the timer is set to your intended length. This gets everything ready so you can record immediately and consistently. Now record with purpose. Press and hold the capture button or select the 10/60s option to match spotlight limits. While filming, place your hook in the first 3 seconds. This grabs viewers fast. Once recorded, swipe to edit, trim to tighten pacing, add a lens or visual effect, overlay concise text and stickers for context, and balance audio so voice and music don't clash. Make sure transitions are smooth. Small timing tweaks here boost completion and share rates. Finish by sending your polished snap to Spotlight. Tap Send to, choose Spotlight, add a short caption and any relevant sounds, then submit. Make sure your privacy and location settings align with what you want. Public Spotlight needs public snaps. Once posted, monitor views and adjust future clips based on performance. If your snap is rejected or doesn't appear, check community guidelines, confirm file format and length, and retry after fixing issues. This single troubleshooting step solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.